You might have seen ads for the Mochi phone all over social media lately. That cute little flip-style smartphone with Y2K vibes. The ads promise that it's not just a stylish gadget, but a fully functional phone that lets you stream music, scroll through social media, play games, use GPS, and even download apps from the Google Play Store. Basically, it claims to pack all the power of a regular smartphone into a compact, adorable flip design that connects to both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Sounds pretty cool, right? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's look a little closer at what's really going on behind those cute ads. One of the first red flags is that the website, mochiphone.com, is extremely new. It was registered on October 22, 2025, which means it's barely a week old. That's a huge concern, because new websites often pop up, take orders and disappear before customers ever receive anything. To make things worse, the ownership details are completely hidden using a privacy service, so there's no information about who's running the business or where it's based. When you check for customer reviews, there's practically nothing. No reviews on Trustpilot, no mentions on Reddit, no YouTube unboxings, nothing. Yet, the website is full of glowing customer videos and comments that look a little too perfect. Many of these could easily be paid or AI generated, which makes them unreliable. If a brand new site has tons of positive reviews but zero real people talking about it elsewhere online, that's usually a sign of fake testimonials. Another suspicious thing is the pricing. The website shows big flashy discounts like save 42%, and lists the Mochi phone for around $109 instead of $189. While discounts can be nice, when you see massive markdowns on a product that doesn't even have a reputation yet, it's often a tactic to lure buyers quickly. The shipping claims also seem too good to be true. They say they ship globally and deliver within a week, but there's no proof of actual orders being shipped or received. No tracking examples, no customer photos, nothing that shows this is a real functioning business. Then we get to the technical specs, and this is where the red flags get even bigger. The Mochi phone is advertised as a mini smartphone that can run apps like Netflix, Instagram, and TikTok. But the listed specs, Android 8.1, 2 GB RAM, and 16 GB storage, are way too weak for that. These specs belong to devices from several years ago, and they'd struggle to handle modern apps smoothly. So while the marketing makes it sound powerful, the actual hardware tells a very different story. They also mention a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, which might sound reassuring. But with a brand new website and no contact transparency, it's hard to believe you'd actually get a refund or warranty service if something goes wrong. Plus, if the product ships from overseas, you'd likely face high return shipping costs, or worse, no response from customer service at all. Finally, the product's claims just don't line up with reality. They promise smooth performance, high-quality apps, and a full smartphone experience, but based on the specs and lack of proof, it's unlikely this device can deliver what's being advertised. At the end of the day, the Mochi phone looks cute, but the red flags are hard to ignore. A brand new domain, hidden ownership, fake-looking reviews, weak specs, and unrealistic promises. Until there's solid proof that this phone actually works as claimed and that people are receiving what they order, it's best to stay cautious and not fall for the hype.